Hi, my name is Gabriele with GAVi POP, and we are here today to show you how to install the adjustable workbench. We just have unpacked all the bracket and the tabletop, and we just put against the wall next to where we are going to do the installation. In the other side, we have all the tools necessary for the installation. Stud finder, tape measure, leveler, pen, drill bit, instruction sheet with all the extra screw that came with. With the help of the stud finder, we were able to find the center of the stud. Now we are going to draw a line at 68 inches over here, and with the level we are going to draw a straight line across. Now we are going to pick up the left bracket assembly. They are all marked, and we put a screw through the hole at the top, and with the hole that it's already marked on the wall, we go through and we drive this screw all the way through without tightening the screw all the way. We leave it a little loose so the bracket can still move. Now with the help of a level, we make sure it's perfectly level. And after we can put another screw through this hole at the bottom without worrying about the position. Perfect. Make sure it's still level. Perfect. Now we tighten the one at the top, finish to tighten it. And now what we can do, we can take the safety pin out and we can go through the other 3 holes and drive another screw through each of these 3 holes. When we are done, we put this back on and put safety pin back on. With the help of the stud finder, we are going to find the next stud available to the right of the first bracket. And we are going to mark with a line the center of the stud. Now that we found the center of the stud, we are going to put like a straight edge in the top of the first bracket assembly. And with the help of the level, we are going to draw a straight line right across the center of the stud. And we are going to draw a line. Perfect. Now with the right bracket assembly, we are going to move it all the way up to match with the previously drawn line. And when we are at that point, we can drive through a screw without tightening it all the way. Now we repeat the step like we did on the left side. We make sure the bracket is completely level, and now we can screw this one very tight. After we are done, we screw the one at the top all the way in. Now I've removed the safety pin, and now we can attach all the other 3 screws in this side. 1, 2, and 3. And that's it. This part is done. Now that the 2 bracket assembly are attached to the wall, we can lower both arms at 90 degrees. And we can put the safety pin back on. And we can start assembling the tabletop. Now we can grab the tabletop and lay on top of the 2 brackets. When you lay on top, just make sure that the spacing in this side and the spacing in the other side is equal. I'm going to lift it a little bit to make sure the two brackets, they go back and they are free. Now what I do, I'm going to make sure that underneath we also have the same spacing between the front and the back. Perfect. Now we can attach the tabletop to the bracket using the 6 provided screws, and we can pre-drill if we have a solid butcher block top with a 1/8 inch drill. Now with the table assembled, we can put it back to the store position and put the safety pin back on. And the table is ready to be used.